caught me on the counter.
It wasn't me.
Saw me kissing on the sofa.
It wasn't me.
I even had her in the shower.
It wasn't me.
She even caught me on camera.
It wasn't me.
Je m'appelle.
Pelle.
Great. Okay, faster. Je m'appelle.
Pelle.
Je m'appelle.
Me poo poo.
What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want? God damn it. What do you want?
Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours.
Shake that ass, bitch, and let me see what you got.
It's my birthday, it's my birthday, I'ma spend my money. It's my birthday, I'ma spend my money.
What did you do?
I shaved my eyebrows.
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Are you looking for something?
Is there something I should be looking for?
Chinese females moan like,
Stir fry, right? Chicken monster, stir fry, right? Chicken wing.
Cause some came in the mail today. Yeah, I did. These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Cause I hit you with the chop, Ronaldo chop. You ain't gonna survive, you ain't gonna block.
Can I see something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I see something even crazier? Yes!
Name is Romelu, but you can call me Tank. I'm the #1 beast, all the rest are wank. With my bills and bitches, I'm the pimp of the bank. If you mess with me, you become.
Guess what? What? Teapot.
I'm MC Moyes, I'll smash you up, I'm MC Moyes. Put your hands up, will you make some noise? Turn around if you're hating, boy. I'm MC Moyes, I'll smash you up.
Darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream.
I'm in love with you. And all these little things